is dead ahead.
He's on the rail. Stand by.
Bombs away, Charlie!
Go, Mac!
He's over there.
Julie, thanks for meeting me. I told Muffy I needed a breath of fresh air.
Yeah, Carter, what's the problem with you two?
Julie, I just can't go through with this marriage.
That's not nice.
Now hear this. This is the captain speaking with an important message for all passengers.
Surprise? You mean to tell me you weren't planning on showing off that sexy new outfit for old Jim Billy?
Start a trace.
Oh, I walked by while your eyes are closed, sunning yourself. I gotta tell you, girl, I had to go back to my cabin and lie down a spell. Jim Billy's old heart can't take that much action.